Hello guys, welcome to our channel Shubhada Group of Education CC. You are watching Satish Sir's physics videos for Karnataka CET in NEET. Here is a problem on geometrical optics or ray optics. Look at the problem. A thin symmetrical double convex lens, thin symmetrical double convex lens has a power P is cut into three parts as shown in the figure. So this is the given diagram for you. This is the given diagram and it is cut in three different types. So like this is A and this is B and this is C here, and it has the power P. Now the power of A is, in the sense they are expecting the power of this part now. Please try to repeat. It has cut in the horizontal direction, right? So it has cut in the horizontal direction, so that's the reason. Horizontal direction, so that's the reason why there should be no change in the power. So that's the reason why you have to get the same value of power as before. So that's the reason why P should be the right answer for this question. Option D is the right answer. For that, there are two different types of the cutting of a lens, correct? You can cut it vertically and you can cut it horizontally. So there are two different types of the cutting are there. So when you cut it vertically, what actually happens is you will get the focal length will be 2 times f and it will be 2 times f after cutting, and the individual focal length will be 2f and 2f. And if you cut it horizontally, at that time there is no change in the power as well as no change in the power as well as no change in the focal length as well. See clear? So here I am trying to explain you about Unacademy Plus subscription. If you have not taken Plus subscription, kindly take it as soon as possible. There are a lot of benefits by the Plus subscription offered by Unacademy. So there will be a premium content at affordable price and structured live courses plus dedicated live doubts clearing sessions and quizzes at regular intervals for self-analysis and batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, full length mocks, etc. with analysis, and the single subscription will give you unlimited access for you. If you use my code Satish2021, you will get extra 10% off on the course fees. So here are some best plans for Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. There is a 12 months plan at just rupees 12,375 and there is a 6-month plan at just rupees 10,125 rupees. If you use my code Satish2021, you will get extra 10% off on the course fees. Let me look at next problem now here. A lens of power 2 diopter plus 2 diopter is placed in contact with another lens of power minus 1 diopter. The combination will behave like, correct? Options are there here. So convex lens, that's the reason it is a converging lens. Clearly it is 100 centimeter, exactly right. 1 meter, that must be equal to 100 centimeter because 10 to the power of minus 2, that will give you 1 only. So that's the reason why option A is the right answer for this question. See here, the power of the first lens is equal to plus 2.0 diopter and second lens is going to be minus 1.0 diopter here. So as you know that the focal length must be inversely proportional to the power, so that's the reason why it should be 1 divided by plus 2, in the sense you will get 0.5 meter. Because the focal length should be in terms of meter, then only you can calculate the value of the power. So P2, that must be equal to 1 divided by F2 must be equal to 1 divided by P2. So this is what? Minus 1 divided by 1 here, that is what? 1 minus 1 meter. So now two lenses are in contact, so the equivalent focal length must be equal to 1 divided by F1 plus 1 divided by F2. So that will give you 1 divided by 0.5 plus 1 divided by minus 1. So that will give you 0.5, in the sense it is 1 divided by 2, right? So 2 minus 1 will give you what? 1 meter as the right answer. So what, as you getting the final answer as plus here, so it should be what? So thank you very much for watching this video. I will upload some more problems on the same chapter, ray optics or geometrical optics. Please do like it. Please do share this video with your friends and colleagues to support us. Please do subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, make a comment on the comment box so that I can help you with. Wish you all the best for examinations. Thank you.